What?
Why don't we use the glasses that's inside on the table?
No.
Because there's 3 of us.
Come put the ice in the sauce.
Mm-hmm. So,
You fix to put the table in the middle of the room? The living room? Move the stuff that's on top of it in the middle. Move it from there. Didn't I tell you put the ice inside the cups?
yeah.